Welcome back, Nail Crew. If you're not a part of the Nail Crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And also hit that like button before we go any further. I am trying some new Polygel. I'm so excited for this one, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's just dive on in. Here is the package. You know, I got to look at the whole thing. I got to just dive into the whole thing. So let's just look at it. So on the outside, you know, it just has a regular box. It has their logo, and it tells you that they are 4 different colors. Take that little yellow sleeve off, and it says, "Your present." Well, hello. All right, so let's look into the box. Here are some dual forms. Yay. They look exactly like the YS Nail dual forms. Y'all already know those are my favorite ones. Those and the McCarts. And these look exactly like those. So if you love those, then you will definitely love these. They look exactly the same. I am happy to have them. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so here is their slip solution. Okay, it looks so cool. Like, it looks kind of futuristic. I don't know. All the other ones look like in very tiny bottles. This one is a lot. I don't know. All right, so here's the primer. It says stays on for 30 days, y'all. We're going to have to put it to the test. This is the first kit that I've seen that came with primer. Shout out to you guys for including primer. And then they also had the base coat. Here is their top coat. All right, let's see what else. I'm skipping the Polygel. I'm trying to save that for last. So this kit also has some plastic forms. So here are the dual forms, right? But then they also have these. And these are very similar to the paper forms, but they're plastic. You see that? Super thick. But the good thing about them is that they're see-through so that the Polygel can cure top and bottom. Thumbs up, guys. That's dope. And then, of course, they have the spatula and the brush picker-upper tool that most of these kits are coming with now. They also have a file. So there's 2 in here. One's a file and one's a buffer. Super, super dope. Okay, so now let's get into the Polygel. This is color number 4, and it is a dark pink. Now, this Polygel looks very thick. I don't know what it's going to be like yet, but straight out the tube, it looks thick. That color is beautiful. Y'all know I love pink. I love pink. What can I say? Here is a light pink. Nothing really on the back. It does have the ingredients, and this is number 3. So consistency wise, it looks just like the dark pink, but obviously it's light pink. So, all right, what's next? Here is clear. And these are full size bottles, y'all. Like, give it up for the full size bottles. And this is clear. So most of the Polygel kits nowadays come with 15-gram bottles. And this one comes with 30 grams. So that's absolutely dope. This is color white, and it is number 2. All right. So those are all the Polygel colors. And then it also comes with an instruction booklet, which I love. I love it. And this is like nice, thick, almost like a laminated paper. So I'm here for it. I love when they put in some thought into the package that they're giving us, right? So on this side, it just tells you everything that's in the kit. You get a lot of stuff, guys. You get a lot of stuff. All right. And then on this side is just showing you different ways that you could use the kit. So the first way would be with dual forms. So this is just showing you how to do that. You have the instructions in picture, but also in words. I really like that. And then you see down there, they are using the cap as a dapping dish. You see right here. So the lid to the slip solution is what they're using as a dapping dish. Oh my God, so smart. And on this side, this is way number 2. And this side, they're using it with the plastic forms. So if the dual forms don't fit, don't worry about it. You also have another option. I thought that was a very good idea. Here is the full kit, guys. It comes with primer. Oh my gosh, like I'm still mind blown over that, because this is literally the first kit that I have seen that came with primer. Get primer in your kits, everyone. Duh, we all need it. You cannot do your nails without the primer, so you might as well just add it in the kit. thumbs up to you guys. All right, so I removed my previous set of nails and I went ahead and put the dehydrator on like always. And now I'm going in with this primer. So this primer, guys, you have to put it under the UV LED light for 30 to 60 seconds, okay? That's the difference between this primer and some of the other primers that you see me use. So I put a very thin coat on all my nails, and then I went ahead and put my hand in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I am going in with the base coat. So the technique that you use for the base coat is very similar to the one you use for the primer. And it says it's going to last for 30 days. So I am I'm so curious, and I kind of want to leave my nails on for 30 days just to test it. But y'all know me. I can't do it. I can't do it, y'all. After like 2 weeks, I just really need something new. So I can't put it to the test because I get bored too easily. But if any of you guys get this kit and you are willing to keep them on for 30 days to do an experiment for me, let me know. Come back and let your girl know. All right, so I put this lip solution in the lid like it suggested, and we'll just see how that works. I have a lint-free piece of paper towel down there, and then I have their spatula. And I'm going to go in with the dark pink color. I saw that color and I was like, oh my God, I have to use it. It's so cute and so pink. All right, here we go. So I have a lot, and this might actually be too much. The Polygel was a lot softer than I anticipated. So I went in and I was squeezing it because I thought it was going to be like thick and firm, but it was very, very soft. So a lot came out. So be careful. If you guys get this kit, don't put too much pressure into squeezing it out the tube. Just please, just learn from my mistake. I got a lot out. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if it's going to be too much or if I could just work with it. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. But moving it around is very easy. Like, I don't even know. I don't have anything bad to say yet. So far it's going well. It's soft. It's pliable. The slip solution smells almost like I don't want to say it smells like candy, but it has like a very kind of fruity smell. I have no idea what's in this stuff, y'all, but it smells good. All right, so my first nail is done. It doesn't look too thick. I like it. Yeah, I like it. It looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and flash cure that for 10 seconds, then move on to the second nail. Now remember, me flash curing it is just so I don't mess it up, but it's not a full cure. You know what I mean? It's just to set it in place while I move on. So here we go. I'm moving on to my second finger. I'm going to show you guys one more because I'm sure you got the hang of it by now. I know that's way too much though. I'm telling you, this Polygel is so soft, it comes right out the tube. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off. Just like that, and I'm going to put it to the side, and I will save it for my next nail. So here we go. I'm going to zoom in and just show you guys. I'm just tucking it in around the cuticle area, making sure that it's nice and flushed and that there's none on my skin or sidewalls. And then you just want to pat it down into place lightly. Don't add too much pressure because you will sweep this thing right off the nail, I'm telling you. So that is pretty much it. Don't be afraid to look at your nail from different angles. So here I am just turning my finger around and just making sure that it was nice and smooth. I went ahead and cured that for 10 seconds. Then I moved on and did my other fingers the exact same way. When I was done, I cured my entire hand for a full 60 seconds, okay? So again, I flash cured all my nails for 10 seconds while I moved on to the next one. And then when I was done with all of them, I cured them for a full 60 seconds, okay? So here I am just removing these plastic forms. They are so sticky, you guys. These forms really, really stay on. Then I went ahead, filed, shaped, and buffed my nails. You do not need an e-file to file these nails. Literally, the file that came with the kit, the hand file, that is all you need. Like I said before, this Polygel is very soft. It's easy to file with the hand filer. A lot of you guys out there with carpal tunnel, or you guys that do not have access to an e-file, the hand file works just fine. So here I am just cleaning off all that dust because this polygel does create a lot of dust. But look how smooth the underside to these nails are. Using the forms, you really get a nice, smooth underside. I love that. And the nails look really, really good. Cuticle area is nice and flush. They all look even. I love them. So far, I'm happy. All right, so now let's put a little bling on it, y'all. Let's put a little bling on it. So here's my little stash of bling. I don't know what I'm going to do. I never know what I'm going to do. I just do it. I just get in there and do it. Here's my wax pencil that I got from Princess Nails by Diana. She sent this to me, guys, to pick up my bling. So here we go. Here we go. I am using some Builder in a bottle. I'm making my own bling gel. Y'all know I'm too cheap to buy bling gel, y'all. So I'm using Builder in a bottle, right? And then I'm going to go on top of that Builder in a bottle with the top coat that came from this kit. So let me just repeat that, okay? I put one layer of Builder in a bottle. That's going to hold my stones in place. On top of that, I put this non-white top coat that came with the kit. That's so that I don't leave a sticky residue on my rhinestones and my gems, all right? So that's what I did. Now I'm using my wax pencil, and I am just throwing some rhinestones and some diamonds and some crystals on my nails. And I don't really have a plan. I don't really have a plan, and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just doing something. And I think it's coming out okay. I mean, can you really go wrong? Can you really go wrong when you throw some rhinestones and some bling on a nail? Like, is there ever a wrong way to put bling on a nail? No. No, it's not. So I went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds. Now I am doing the same thing to my pointer, but I'm thinking of doing some glitter. I think I want glitter on this one. So let's just do some glitter, guys. I was going to not do glitter, but how could you not do glitter? Like, how could you just not do glitter? Just not even a discussion. All right. So as you can tell, I started off brushing it in, but then that was taking too long. So I decided to go with the scoop method, and that's working a lot better. And it's sticking right to that polish. So sweet. So cute. So cute. I'm so glad I decided to do the glitter. Like, I'm so glad. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Makes me want to cry. All right, so that is that. I went ahead and cured that nail for 30 seconds as well. And now I'm just applying that top coat that came with this kit. So far, the top coat is going on nice and creamy, and it is shiny. Super, super glossy. I hope it stays glossy. You know how there's some top coats that you put it on, it looks awesome, and then like 2 days later it goes dull? I hope that is not the case here, because so far it is going on and it looks very, very nice. I'm going to be posting pictures, guys, to my Instagram so you guys can stay posted and see how well the top coat lasts. But so far, so good. So far, I'm happy. So the polygel, guys, it went on nice. It went on smooth. It's very soft for a lot of you guys that really like that soft polygel. The top coat so far looks very shiny and nice. And this is the finished set. What do you think? I love it. I think it's really, really cool. I like it. I really like that this kit came with primer. It is the first polygel kit that I know of that came with primer. So thumbs up for you guys for beating everybody else to the punch. I really liked doing this set, you guys. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much for rocking with me till the end. Love you guys so much. Here are 2 more videos just for you, and I will see you in my next one.